What's going on, guys? Tony's Classics. So look what we have right here. Check this out. Damn. Brand new, never been installed before. Lights for our Benz. Beautiful. And they are TYC. No idea, but a little story. First of all, shout out Eurosport Tuning, because they contacted me last year and they were like, we found a set of headlights, corners, and tail lights for the W124 in our like Buffalo warehouse. And I was like, no way. So they sent me photos and I was like, damn, I really want those. So here we are a year later. Beautiful, brand new. Look at that. With the tabs, everything. Like, wow, what a holy grail. So we're gonna try and install it right now. So give me a second and let me set things up. Let's test fit one of these lights. I'm curious as well to what it's gonna be like. So I think, but first I want to show you guys something, which is kind of cool. This is the trim for the bottom, and it sits right here, which is a really cool thing. And it holds the headlight. See how it has this groove? That's where my wiper blade sits. This one doesn't have a groove, and it sits flush, you know? So I'm not gonna install you know, I love how you guys love them, but I think right now, because this is not gonna be a permanent solution, as you can see, trim, no trim, and then from the back, cut out, you know, so you can get your hose, no thing, yep. All right, so the other one on that side for this side is in the box. We will unbox it in a second. But we already have this side open. So maybe we switch the camera angle to this side. Give me a second. All right, we switched the camera angle to this side. So again, as I said, this sits here like this, and you get the wiper mower thing, you know, wiper blade. But we're gonna try without it. And I need to rewrap these pieces. But that's okay, because I just wanna see what this headlight looks like. All right, you ready? Damn, I'm excited. What do I clip this on with again? It's those last minute jitters. So I need this piece and I need this piece, I think. All right, so another shout out as well, Eurosport Tuning, because they provided us with brand new, like I'm telling you, like look at this, brand new in box. So I already opened like one side of each. That's why I don't want to open the other side yet until today. So holy, about time. Don't scare me now. Try to move your hand. All right, yeah. So we'll put that there because it's not going anywhere. Scary. Right. Give me 1 second. Find some screws. So I got tired. I gave up halfway. I mean, it's installed, but I gave up. I'm going to my buddies now. Got some hot dogs, halal hot dogs, they're fire. And yeah, let me show you what it looks like. Jeez, so I couldn't get this stupid turn signal to fit. So that's for another time. But those are clean as fuck, dog. Damn. Damn. That's that brand new, squeaky clean. Damn. So I'm dreading the other one because there's a car show tomorrow. But maybe we drive the Audi. So stay tuned because, yeah, cheers for the install. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning and I realized I can't even go to any shows until I put the damn headlights back in. So, oh, it actually looks really nice, eh? Like the new one. I need to figure out what to do with the turn signals. They won't go in. Fuck me. All right, give me a second, guys. All right, so we got the one side on, but there's something I've always wanted to try. So this is how the air gets into my intake. But this is like blocked off and it goes in through here. So I'm wondering if it's worth it to cut a little bit off and see if it does anything. Because then this would sit right here. Oh my god, like there's no room for any air to get in. So this is either a stupid idea or this could be a good idea. But I don't really know if I want to cut it. Yeah, that was gonna take too long. No, we got time for that. Just like that. I'm literally not joking when I say we unboxed it. Brand new. Brand new. That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn. 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 That's why I need connections, people. Connections. Connections are everything in this world. If you don't have connections, you just got left behind. Alright. Another unboxing. So these aren't actually permanently installed, just to let you guys know. They need to go back to the mechanic to get the lights reinstalled and worked on. So for now, I'm just kind of putting them in because I want to drive the car today. So by all means, these installed. Let's fucking go, chat. Again, we just woke up because we gave up yesterday. Let's fucking go. Because I knew I wasn't going to be able to do anything today until I got this out of the way. You know what I hate? Cleaning up the fucking stove after. Alright, give me a second. Let me show you what this looks like. Now we can actually close the hood. Can you see, or is this going to be in the way? Yeah, you can kind of see. Move it over this way. Alright. Make sure everything's clear. I know we're going to have to tape these down before we drive. Yeah, that shit brand new, dog. That shit brand new. Damn, damn, damn. And remember, we took these out, and now we put the clear ones back in. Before, after. Damn, that looks so nice. Okay, let me clean up quick. Remember that show? Alright, remember that show? 10-second tidy? I'm about to show you a 10-second tidy. Done. Yeah?
Beautiful. I wish long time. I swear. It's now.
Oh my god.
Now it's beautiful.
It looks
beautiful.
brand new.
Yeah.
Wow. You can really see the inside. Before you couldn't. It was like dirty.
I have no idea how to it is. Oh my God, it's terrifying.
Wow.
Right now.
Oh, my mom is saying because the other ones were glass that it had a yellow tint because it was bad. Okay, so now this looks like,
White is much.
yeah, now it looks proper. It looks shiny, it looks new.
Yes.
Wow. Alright guys, so we still gotta do the LEDs, but that is it. Damn, that brand new lights. Jeez, that looks so sick. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I hope to do some more with you guys. Stay tuned. Look, my mom's taking some pictures now. Cheers, guys. Cheers.